My name is Sebastian and I have had hands-on training with John Camerford. John's program is very clear and very practical. If you are still thinking about working with John, please take into consideration that he is a very genuine guy and he's an expert who is willing to share his knowledge and expertise with you. John, as a mentor, was an incredible person as he has this amazing ability to explain things that at first you think are daunting, difficult, in a very simple and approachable way. So everything was very clear. He's a person that you can go to, you can ask questions. If you still don't understand something, ask questions. This is what I was doing and other participants. And what's also very important, John wants you to succeed. John wants you to create your own funnel as quickly as possible. And he also teaches you not only technical stuff, how to create funnels, how to create ads, and there are much more to this, but he also teaches you how to approach your prospects, how to speak to them, how to sell your services. And so I would say that his program is very comprehensive. And I'm very grateful to you, John, for taking me on board and teaching me all these incredible things. Thank you, John.